Let us now meet the starters for both teams. First, for the Armed Forces of the Philippines, Lady Gunner. Let's start with our outside hitter and their team captain at number 1, Major Cheryl Kaermarehake. Pillbucker, number 4, Sergeant Yari Yongko Kimson. Opposite hitter, number 5, Airwoman First Class Wendy Tale. Setter, number 6, Marian Joyce Olores. Outside hitter, number 9, First Lieutenant Kili Joy Betino. Millbucker, number 11, Fireman First, Florence May Matuli. Starting libero at number 10, Rachel Antequia. Head coach of the Lady Gunners, Staff Sergeant Miriam Go. Calling on our Commission on Election Suffragettes. Let's start with our outside hitter, number 1, Chanda Manlapi. Outside hitter, number 4, Javin Sabas. Opposite hitter, number 5, Abigail Noval. Millbucker, number 8, Danica Gentrowley. Setter and their team captain at number 9, Jane Yuma. Millbucker, number 12, Audrey Rose Nocon. Starting libero at number 3, Pia Gabriel Sarmiento. Head coach of the Suffragettes, Mr. Alan Yuma. It's the AFP Lady Gunners versus the Commission on Election Suffragettes. This is the UNTV Volleyball League Season 3. Win and win, win and sports, win for charity. Good luck to both teams.
Well, ito nakikita na natin na before, no, you have Hake, Betino, Yongko, Madulid, Talib, new face here, Olores, and De Gia.
De Gia, pinakamalaking player nila. Para yan gigante nila. Kanilang very vibrant libero. Samantala ang lineup ng Comelec.
Ito naman, para sa Team Comelec, Yumang, Noval, Hendrauli, Sabas, Nocon, Manlapit at ang kanilang libero na si Sarmiento.
And we are just about ready to put the ball into play. And the first serve will belong to, I think, the AFP.
It's also nice to know, kanina pinag-usapan natin, we have 8 teams now this season. Wala ang Senate, wala ang Judiciary, walang SSS. But we have teams that are new, NCMH, NHA, and PhilHealth. Pero isa pang bago dito sa ating season is aside from the format, yung ating mga reinforcement kung ating mapapansin, pwede ng 5. May 5 ang bawat isang team. And dati, they're only allowed to play 2. No? But now they're allowed to play 3 guest players at a time with the exception of AFP and PNP. So ngayon mapapansin natin para dun sa ating mga manonood, magkukumpara sila. Bakit ganun? Yung iba, 3, but ang AFP is only allowed 2. May handicapping na nangyayari.
Okay, because leading teams nga naman ang AFP at PNP, they were the top 2 finishers last time around. Yari Yongko trying something at the net. The net denying her entry. Comelec has the first point of the match. Dolores. Yongko tries again. And that's still in play. Knock on his block.
Yongko. Definitely a threat at the net. One of the tallest na makikita natin ngayon on the floor.
My mistake. It was Sabas who was blocked that time. And the serve now belongs to the AFP with Olores doing honors. That's a nice defensive job by Yongko.
Sabi ni Yari, saradong-sarado ang pintuan. Umpisa pa lang ng ating laro.
Ganda rin ang transition ni Yongko, no? From professional player to eventually becoming full-time military woman.
And di ba naalala ko no, napanood natin yung kanyang feature one time, and it's really very inspiring kasi parang ito talaga ang kanyang passion.
Yes. Saka siya in charge, gunner siya ng machine gun.
Nakakatakot.
Sa helicopter, you know. In the meantime, ball is very much alive. Sabas sends it inside, just before the line.
And she knew it, ano, kanina pagtusok ang kanyang palo, nabablock siya. And so this time around, opted for a different angle. Yan ang kailangan sa ating mga hitters. Ano?
Yeah.
You have to be able to adjust.
In the meantime, Gendrauli is serving, the veteran. Here comes the setup job. They're really going to Yonko this time in the first set. Long, but touch last. I believe by number 11, that is Madulid.
Comelec off to a good start. Heavily reliant, of course, ang kanilang opensa kay Sabas.
Yep. At this woman, Gendrauli, De Gia got to it. Olores with the set. Pipe attack. Nocon with a good stop on the back row. Here's a gentle push that finds an empty space.
Finding ways to score. Etong si Sabas nahanap ang buta sa gitna. Medyo nagkahiyaan din yung depensa ng AFP.
In the meantime, some housekeeping being done. Who sits where? Alam ang volleyball.
Oo, yung mga allowed. What is allowed?
Ang volleyball, isa sa pinakamahigpit sa protocol kung saan nakaupo at ilan lang ang pwedeng umupo. Mga players nga kailan tumayo doon sa railing. In the meantime, that is not held high.
Some early miscommunication dito sa side ng AFP.
In the meantime, Pantino will come in for Madulid on the side of the Lady Gunner. 5-2 is the count. Comelec has the lead here in the first set. No permission yet to serve.
We're just talking about her earlier, no? Si Abil in the house.
Judith's in the house, ha? Siyempre, mga ano niya no? Mga naging best friends niya. At nagpa-condition tags talaga siya dito sa liga natin para makabalik sa professional. Oh, look at the ball roll on the top of the net.
Look at Sabas carrying the load at least here in this first part, no, para sa Team Comelec. At mahirap din, no, because Yonko tried to reach for it with just one hand.
Sabas has 4 of the 6 points of Comelec up to this part. Oh, that's still alive. Pinalikuran lang. And such a powerful shot coming from Yonko. Watch this.
Really avoiding the block of Sabas right there.
Here comes Sake. The set. That is a whip. That's outside.
Oh, no check. A bit of a slow start, no, para sa Team AFP.
Not their usual way of starting. Usually dominant sila kaagad Pero let's see. Oh. That serve failing Hake. And Comelec advances by 3. Bandapit will be serving. Olores set. Runner. Perfectly done. Yonko with a clean connection with Olores.
Well executed running attack right there.
Oh, Noval delivering.
Amazing power mula kay Noval.
Okay, Ira has a report. Ira, go ahead.
So many excited faces here at the Phil Sports Arena. I'm sure hindi lang tayo dito sa broadcast team ang excited dahil sa mumukha ng mga ating manlalaro, kitang-kita nyo kung gaano nila katagal hinintay na magsimula ang ating UVL Season 3. Maaga dumating lahat ng teams dito sa ating venue. At alam nyo nga, hindi parang opening day ang pakiramdam, parang grand reunion ang nangyayari dahil lahat ng mga kupunan sobrang excited na makita ang mga kaibigan nila mula sa iba't ibang ahensya. At alam nyo ba, wala silang ibang ginawa kung hindi magpictura na suot ang kanilang mga bagong uniforme at syempre makipagkwentuhan dahil matagal-tagal silang hindi nagkita. At napuntahan ko nga ang 4 na kupunan na maglalaro ngayong araw at pare-parehas sila ng mga sinabi. Una, wala munang may motibong manalo ngayong araw. Ang gusto lang nila ay mag-enjoy sila ngayon sa opening day dahil doon magsisimula kung paano sila mag-a-adjust for UVL Season 3. Balik sa inyo.
Maraming salamat kay Ira Pablo. Comelec lamang dito. 9-6 ang ating bilang. The serve. Balik ang UNTV volleyball. Balik ang isang katerbang merienda.
Inaabangan din natin yan.
Mamaya pagdating ni ate, ubus din yan.
Oh.
In the meantime, Manlapit. Big shot by Sabas from the back row. Crowd screaming already. Here's a strike. That will not work, however, for Baron. In the play is De Gia. One more time, the tap. And this is the first long rally. Walang kukurap. Walang pipikit. Here's a shot.
Oh! You know, over the past couple of seasons, nakita natin yung progression ng ating level of volleyball dito sa UNTV, sa UVL. And I have to say, we're starting off this season strong. Ang ganda ng energy nitong parehong teams. Yeah. And ang bilis. Bumibilis ang ating galawan. That's one observation. And kaya naman siguro talaga napapasigaw ang ating audience today.
There's a certain pace in which you have to play the game. You know, have to be alert with the ball. Keep it very much in play. It's now 8-9. AFP, slow start. Very much in the groove right now. Still serving will be Talib. Sarmiento gets to it. The set. Noval blasts away. And De Gia unable to handle the heat. Pero Comelec played well last year, especially with Judith Abil around and Gendrali is there. Lots of energy for this team. We will miss, of course, the Senate and the 2 other teams. Si Attorney Inting.
Oo, diba?
Ko,
Senate, Judiciary, and SSS. Ating mga ilang season na kasama.
Sino yung tie player natin? Si Pochari. Tama ba ako? Yung tie.
Pitoy.
Si Pitoy. Samantala. Hello. Ang lalim ng kuha ni Hendrauli. Good set. Lumilipad. Naputo ang ng back row. You don't want to waste this. Noval unloads. Olores says, let's try again. And Hake gets it to connect.
That was a smart one from Hake. Nag-alangan siya. But you know, hinanap niya lang ang kamay. Pinasok lang eh. Not too much force on that one.
Here's the serve of Bettino. Dug up. Comelec trying to be steady. Hendrali goes lefty. Nice heave to the other side on the free ball. One more time. Noval! Malupit ang kamay nitong si Noval, ha? Go back to Noval, really. Corner! Wow, but it's out.
That was a good rally. Ito, pang malakasan na yung balik. And I think these are also the positives that we see dun sa pagdagdag ng pwedeng maglarong guest player. Yeah. At the same time, talagang bumibilis ang kilos, nadadala lahat sa loob ng court.
So far, most serves have gone in, huh? That's a good sign. Olores, this shot will not work that time. for Baron. Olores. One more time. Oh, good defensive stance on the floor. Noval! Close and tight. Oh, Olores may do. Regalo! Buhay pa yan!
Pang-championship na game 1 pa lang.
Oh! Generali get it to Mike just before the end line, and the Comelec has tied it up again.
We see so much power na talagang ibinibigay nila sa kanilang opensa. But it's not just that. Of course, it has to be intentional. Kailangan mo dalin kung saan walang depensa ang kalaban.
Abigail Noval with the serve. Manlapit. Yonko spinning around. Problematic passing on the FB side, but they get it over. Here comes the attack. Generali pounces on it, and the Comelec back in front.
You see how the teams have come prepared for this season. Oh, what a serve.
Yes, indeed. Oh, well, is it in? That'll work. And that is going to work for, I believe, Pantino.
Look at that. Right there by the sideline.
Onto goes Yumang. Oh, solid hit. Yonko with 6 already.
And I believe dalawa dyan, running attack.
Yeah.
Clean kills for Yonko. Oh!
Sometimes you just have to be lucky.
That one with buti na lang, gumapang papunta sa kabilang side, sabi ni Pantino.
And Sergeant Pantino's thanking her lucky stars that crawled over. Sarmiento, here's a setup job. Generali unloads. Olores tracking it down. Here's a free ball from De Gia. Yumang reverses. Generali's back. Nobody home in the back row.
Right now, a clear advantage for AFP ang kanilang blocking.
And let's listen into the timeout by the Comelec.
Relax. Masyado kayo front, di ba? Cover. Nakakalimutan natin kumover. Kaya naman natin atake. Nakaka-receive naman tayo, ha? Relax. Kaya natin yan. Nabuli natin. Tatlo lang, ha? Go, 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 go.
Sobra! Yes!
Kaya pa yan, kaya pa.
The Comelec has fallen behind here after leading in the early part before the first 10 points were completed. Pantino is all set to serve. Noval got to it. Yumang sets up Generali, who's check. Noval. Crawler twice. The AFB has been hit by that crawler on the net. You know, that luck is created by skill also. Kailangan tama yung sapul ng bola rin para may chance gumulong. Olores sets up Pantino. Noval, Comelec, Yumang, Sabas! Huli! Pinas! Buhay pa! Walang pito! Tuloy tayo! Bilib ako sa mga rep na hindi pumipit.
Oo.
Pag ganyan, no? Kala mo patay na eh. Another long battle here. Cut.
Oh!
Pushed up by Generali. Here comes Sabas at the net. Yes, sir!
You know, ang nakikita natin dito sa Comelec, they are showing us yung never give up attitude. Very good coverage. Yung mga bolang sumasabit, nasi-save pa nila.
Correct,
And you know, that was a wonderful end dun sa mahabang rally nin yung palo ni Sabas.
Ako regalo. Naku, hindi na diinan, hindi na baon. Oh, that is not defended well. Yumang chewed up by that shot. AFP by 2 now. Here's Olores. Marian Joyce Olores. Yumang. Out, huh?
Oh, that was out. She had a good target.
Oh,
Walang depensa eh.
They're trying to hit as deep as possible so that defense really scrambles. In the meantime, De Gia scrambling in as she pulled out the other play. She pulled out Bettino, rather. Sorry. In the meantime, there's De Gia, the libero. Olores setting this up for Talib. It's in the air. Sabas makes do. Good set.
Oh! She knew it.
Walang conflict sa ilalim.
And you know, these are the adjustments, no? Na minsan, ang gandang nakikita sa ating mga attackers. Nakita niya bukas na bukas sa likod ng blocker.
Akala kasi ng depensa, papalo siya ng pahataw. So, umatras. Olores serving. 4-point lead by the Lady Gunner. Sabas. That's a check ball called by the official.
You see Sabas talking to her teammates. Sinasabi, 3 lang kailangan habulin. Trying to calm them down. But they have been playing very well, no? Here in set number 1.
Hackett stabbed it over from the middle. And that connects.
One of the good things that we're seeing from Comelec right now, maganda ang kanilang depensa at first ball.
Correct. Sabas now with 7 markers. The next one is Noval with 4. 25 points lang yung bawat set. So, 7. That's a big... Oh! Olores trying to be sneaky. Back by the net. 1-point affair here in the first. Timeout being asked by the AFP. And that's, of course, head coach, Staff Sergeant Miriam Go.
Hindi tayo nakakatake ng maayos. Pasa tayo ng maayos. Huwag niyo bibitawan yan, isa na lang, oh. Kailan convert tayo ng sapatay mo na.
Yung pabayaan, ha? Tan, pasa ng maganda. Pilitin mo, pilitin mo.
AFP! Wala! Sa bagay.
18-17 is the count. The AFP is ahead by 1. During the course of this first set, Comelec had several tastes of the lead but could not sustain it. De Gia is there. Yonko inside. And Yari now with 10.
Yari, parang kondisyon na kondisyon para sa season na ito.
Kakasakay na helicopter yun.
Oo, kaka-train din yan. Very physical yung ano nila.
Si Yari siguro doon sa LEC sumasampa para lumakas siya. Ba, may ikot. Sabi niya, sir, hindi naman sasabihin niya. In the meantime, still close and tight. Comelec not giving up here.
Well, they have a strong front row right now. We're talking about Comelec.
Excuse me, and yep, they have a good, that's their offensive lineup, yung kanilang weapons. Nice block by Noval!
And Noval saying, hindi lang ako pang opensa, kayang-kaya ko rin mag-block. You know, she's not one of the tallest. But here in this slow-mo, in replay, makikita natin timing.
May spring may timing. Blocking is both technique and timing.
Yes, hindi to talon ka lang ng talon, hindi ka dapat mauna.
Una, mapapagod ka. Una, kung talon ka lang ng talon, it's bad for your knees as well. Oh, but look at that recovery by Yonko, who now has 11.
It is a tight first set.
Lopez is going to come in for Manlapit in the Comelec roster. Lady Gunner, the defending champs, with a 1-point lead and a messed up defensive sequence there. Sarmiento, the libero, tried to reach for it. We have a timeout requested by the Comelec. Time to listen in.
Oh, pinatay ko lang yung momentum, ha? Side out nyo kagad tayo, tapos service tayo maganda.
Hey, first ball muna tayo. Relax lang. Dalawa lang yan. Kaya pa natin yan. Dapat, bago sila makapuntos, maka-all tayo. Ha? Kaya? Kaya? Ha? Go.
Mahabang sermon ng coach. Sanay na ako kay Jerry. Walang sinasabi. Sa training bumabawi. Noval, quite a revelation here.
You know what I like about her attack, makikita natin yan dito, yung top spin. And look at that, the spin of her ball. That's why it will land like that. And she, again, she's not the tallest, but she reaches for the ball at the very top.
She has 6 of the 20 points of the Comelec. Still, regalo ito. Olores did not manage that well. She did not. She was not sure of going on 2 or isa-set niya.
Oh, and I think yung palapit yung bola sa net, ito na yung second hesitation siguro, nag-hesitate at the net.
Minsan mali ang basa mo no, nung flight ng kurba ng bola. 21 all. Teguia. Olores sets up this shot by Pantino. Yonko gets it downstairs and it's picked up by Nocon. Ginawa ng opensa ni Jan Rowley. AFP trying to recover. Yonko sends it back. Yuma. That's messy. Well done. Pantino drilling it in. Here's the set. Noval, it's outside.
It's out. Good intention, but she was already in the middle. Napakaliit na lang nung dadaanan.
And Talib will continue to serve. Yumang middle, Noval. And that'll count.
Ang ganda ng gulong dun sa tape ng net.
Ang hirap ang babae, pagka nag-cheer. Pag tinatapik sa ulo, parang gusto sabihin,
not my hair.
Huwag mong guluhin yung buko, ang hirap ayusin yan. Parang naalala ko si Roma Durumal sa Capital One. Ang hirap ayusin ng buhok niya. Regalo! Bettino doing a good job keeping it in play. Pantino, Yumang, Sarmiento heaves it over. Olores keeps it high. To the end! Missed!
Alam mo, nakita ni Pantino bukas yung likod. But again, minsan talaga, pagdating sa execution.
Agigil.
Oo,
It was so tempting. Coach Miriam, go on your picture. Olores. Look at this. Comelec is at set point.
What a time to commit an error.
Let's listen to the timeout of the AFP.
Kailangan natin kumawi lang. May pasta tayo, ang kailangan na attack naman natin maayos. Diskarte nyo.
Pagkakataon na natin. Napakahina na magsiserve, ha? Let's go. Isang atake tayo, isang magandang pasa.
Let's go.
sheer patience, determination, and good setting, the Comelec finds itself ahead at set point, and they have the serve.
You know, they came prepared today in a way that alam nila, there's awareness na malakas umupensa itong AFP. So there is that effort also in having better defense, pero si Pantino finally gets that end line.
Yeah, much to the disappointment of the coaching staff because they felt so close. Ayun, no? In the meantime, first to score and lead by 2, 24 all. This one's really out. Second set point of the Comelec.
May konting gigil na nga talaga siguro because kahit first set pa lang ito, no? Talagang dikit na dikit ang ating laban.
Siyempre, may pride involved yung AFP, but defending champion kami. Ay, 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 ay. And that happens.
It does. And siguro dala rin niya ng first game. Opening of the season. You're up against a strong opponent.
Oh! Gendrali says no way. Back row player.
That was
the libero.
Oh, but quick to rin si Gendrali was very quick to call. Na
The libero cannot play offense. Tapos paglampas yung kanyang hand. Hand air, Yonko denying entry. This could take a while. Already, the AFP denying 2 set points.
What a start to Season 3 of UVL.
Dolores. Now, you don't blink when it's this close. Sabas. She grazed the net. Very clearly so.
But hopefully no injuries here.
Tinamaan ba niya si Yonko?
Oo, Yonko fell to the ground, but she said she is okay.
We hope we can get it here.
Papasok si Sabas. At her foot.
Very close.
Yeah, very close. Walang apakan.
Pero nakaiwas.
Oo.
That's always scary, Now, AFP with their set point. Sabas. Sarmiento keeps it in play. They have to heave it over. Gendrali does it nicely. Kept in play. Sarmiento coming to life here. Sabas. Oh! Look at this. We're tied again.
Wow, what a way to start this season. And of course, the other teams who are not playing now, already scouting itong ating dalawang team na naglalaro ngayon.
27. Regalo! And nanggigil si Sabas. It was too tempting. So tempting.
And yan ang gustong-gusto rin kasi ng mga volleyball player, yung mga ang sarap paluin ng regalo.
Ang laki niyan Parang lumalandi sa harap ng mukha mo yung regalo talaga. And look at this, AFP with their second set point. They just made do. Olores, that's blocked. Sabas doing a good job holding the fort. Yonko to the end row. Gendrali, you don't want to blink. Oh! Yonko! Writing their signature on this first set. Watch it again. The Comelec had their chances, but they could not finish it.
It was a good, strong start. Sabi nga natin, lumaban naman at dumikit, no? Either way, mapupunta ang panalo kung sino talaga yung kakapit.
Yes, well said. And we'll have the second set ready for you wherever you are here for opening day of the UVL.
At exciting start for Season 3. Ito ang ating stats for set number 1. Umabot tayo ng 29. Set number 1 pa lang yan. But, you know, looking at the numbers here, Seth, halos nagkakadikit naman, no? Pagdating sa opensa, lamang ng konti ang Comelec. But where it spelled the difference, no, was for AFP, yung kanilang blocking at the net. Puntos din sila ng 2 service aces. And I guess it didn't help dahil ang errors na pamigay points ng bawat isang team umabot ng 8. But yun nga, there are some skill departments kung saan lumamang itong AFP. Now, it was a tight first set. So it's really interesting to see paano magre-reset itong Comelec, no? Pagpasok ngayong set number 2. Meanwhile, for AFP, how they can carry on that momentum.
Alam mo, may mga teams kasi pag nanalo na ng championship, they find ways eh. They know how to win. And they lost. Comelec had 2 set points that they could have finished it, as you said, but could not seal the deal. Now, by your Comelec, you need to build on that. Rather than look at the Dyer's part, we didn't take that first set. But they're looking at the AFP straight in the eye. We can play hard head-to-head sa inyo. Pumasok na ngayon ng AFP, mga ibang players, ha? Number 7, alala ko to si Mandin eh. 11, Madulin naglaro na kanina.
Yes, so
yung isang libero nila nandiyan, number 2, si Estrellas. Our principle, I think, remains no, that everybody plays.
yes.
I think
everybody must be able to play
kahit
in a
sandali
game. Oo. But so far, yung balasa no, na nakikita natin has worked for both teams.
Ayun, si Lilet Mabayad. Nakita ko na rin. Okay. Lilet had some good games last year, I remember.
Ay, mga magandang hugot. Nakita natin yan for Lilet.
Matangkad din yan si Lilet. Eh.
Oo. Ngayon siya naman ang tallest. No? Nakikita natin on the court.
Actually, ang daming teams nagdagdag ng matangkad. Ano? Parang it's not enough na magaling na setter, hindi lang spiker. Nagdagdag ng height. Eh.
Oo, nagdagdag ng height. But, you know, ang magandang makikita rin natin ano, with few changes na ginawa nila dun sa ating rules, like increasing the number of guest players no, na pwede palaruin. Nakikita natin na kahit yung mga regular players, talagang nahihila pataas yung kanilang kilos. And it's so nice to see. It's really nice to see na bumibilis at tumataas yung level ng ating laro.
Sabas has already scored 10 points. Noval has scored 6 for the Comelec. That has the early lead here in the second set, 2-0. Bettino messed up and Estrella tries to keep it. This is a long shot. It's in play. Chance to set up nicely. Then Drali tried to burn Bettino in the corner. Good reach that time by Nocon. Sabas fires and misses it on the cross.
You saw the disappointment no, after that attack error.
AFP down currently 1-2. Olores. The shot of Gendrali is in play. Number 3, that's Pacardo. First time for her to see action here today. Saka master na ng AFP itong rotation of playing everybody. Alam nila si Sabas, surprised that that's still alive. Gendrali says, ganito yan eh.
Oh, that's 4 points now in this game. Para sa kanya. Ang nangunguna kanina was Sabas, sinundan ni Nuval.
We have 3 as announced by Ai serving 1. Actually, dapat gawin ng Comelec dito, unahan na nila itong AFP. Huwag kayong mag-toe-to-toe sa dulo dito.
Because ang pinag-uusapan yung pagkapit and finishing, of course.
Good point. Ang word na kapit sa volleyball, napaka mahalagang bagay. Minsan, pag nasa court ka dyan, nguso lang yan at saka dilat ang patayan eh.
But yung isa pang dito, kapag maunahan mo ng konti, you have a comfortable lead, at least yung pressure, mababawasan mo. Kasi minsan kahit sabihin mong di, kaya mong ilaban to, mentally, it gets tough.
That's a good point, yes. And there are some teams just know how to eke out a win with those close skirmishes, as proven by the AFP. Gaya nito, they had a slow start in the first set. They're again behind by 4, now by 5. And I wonder if Coach Miriam is going to call a timeout sooner or later. Talib is going to come back in for Pacardo. Yan ang teamwork dyan. Si Coach Miriam, si Coach Cecil, si Coach Randy. They've won the titles together here in the UVL. And Lilet Mabayan takes care of business there. Second point of the AFP on the board. Ayun din bantayan ni Lilet eh. Ang haba eh.
Ooh, good serve.
Yes, it curled at the last moment, no? That is not gonna cross. Yeah.
Isang set pa lang yung nalalaro, but I can just imagine also yung toll on Sabas, because it was a long set, at saka yung mga rally natin hindi biro, and they were heavily reliant on her.
Wisbuhay. In the meantime, there's Sabas who connects, ending that run, 7-3 count. Manlapit will be serving. Olores. Hackett into the heart of that defense.
Sabi, natatawa siya hindi solid pero sakto lang naman yung binagsakan.
And this happens more sa women's volleyball players. Miss-hit.
Oo. Matatawa ka pero alam mo, I take that point, di ba?
Di ba? It's not how you score, it's how beautiful you are. In the meantime, cross by Talib. Sarmiento, who played well during that long set of rallies in the first set. Yumang snaps it high. Sarmiento better receiving now. Olores, cut shot, curler at the net. Here comes a big shot. And Madulid says, "Wag ka nang babalik."
Dun ka na sa likod. But, this is a good, tama yung sinabi mo kanina, ang ganda nung shuffle, dito sa AFP. Kanina, heavily reliant on Yonko. Pero ngayon nakikita natin, yung kombinasyon na to, more and more contribution pagdating sa opensa.
And now we have De Los Santos on the floor for the first time.
Sabas needing a breather. Itong si De Los Santos, isa pang matangkad, no?
Yeah. She also played last year for Comelec. I remember her. In the meantime, Noval rejected, puts one hand on it. Sarmiento lifts it high. Noval makes it a shot. Mabayad gets to it. Top. Oh, again. Sabi ni Madulid, yun na ang tira ko. Yun na yun. Wala ka na magagawa doon.
Gusto ko yung stomping after. Sa tuwa.
Yung padjak?
Oh, yung padjak.
Yung padjak. Oh, unique yun.
But the smile, di ba?
Pumasok.
It happens. Oh, hindi solid, but it happens. It still is a point.
Dance of joy.
Oh.
In the meantime, Olores. Of the two defenders. Look at AFP, They were down 6-1. And now they've strung together points to tie at 7-all.
Yung sinasabi nga natin, when you commit mistakes or hindi ka makapuntos, you just have to remain steady. Yun yung nakita natin sa kanila. Steady lang, tas 1 point at a time.
Tsaka trust your system, trust your coaches, trust your talent. Nababasa si Novala. Madaling putuhin yung kanyang cross Olores. Butas. And now, lamang na ang AFP. Timeout, hiningi ng Comelec. Diretso na sa kanya.
Umasa tayo ng maganda para makapag-set ng maganda yung setter natin, Ilagay. Pabilis na, i-side out nyo lang tapos mag-service tayo maganda. Hindi, wala namang malakas na pinalo yung kalaro nyo, meron ba? Wala pa naman. Yun lang, sige na.
Let's go, receive muna. First ball muna tayo. First ball muna. Go.
The back-to-back champions know that getting their third championship title this season is going to be an adjustment for them. Competing with all teams with 3 imports playing at the same time except for PNP. Yun talaga yung tumatak sa isip nila. But you know, Yari Yongko put on her game face today at sinabi niya, syempre hindi kami magpapatalo. Yongko saw limited minutes during the final series last season due to her military training. In fact, nung game 3 nga mula sa mga bundok sa Laguna ay dumiretso siya sa game venue pero hindi siya nakapaglaro dahil nga hindi siya nakapag-ensayo at medyo nakakarinig pa daw ng mga putok ng barel si Iya when she entered that venue. But come this season, tapos na yung training nitong si Yongko and you can expect all Yari Yongko will be all on board for this season. And sabi ni Yari na gusto daw niyang makapaglaro this season na parang katumbas daw niya ay 2 import na. Balik sa inyo.
Thank you very much. Nakakarinig ko rin ng putok, Ira.
Oo.
Ano ba yan? Pero alam mo, bilib ako, a woman in a major position as gunner, di ba?
Uy!
Sandra could not lift it high, did have the right position. Nag-cross yung legs niya. She did not have her legs underneath. Tinaas niya yung kamay niya. She had nothing there. Messed up In the meantime, Talib rather, and that will work. Alam mo, itong dalawang to, parang masama intensyon. 5 sets ang hinamata nitong, pero alam mo.
Para daw sulit ang umpisa ng season.
Pero tama yung point mo, naghanda itong Comelec. Kasi hindi naman tayo nagbunutan kung sino kalaban Alam mo na before coming here today, na ito yung may laro ka, ito kalaban mo.
And I think, for most of these teams, dahil hindi na naman bago rin ang kanilang team. Talagang they need to work hard. Kumbaga, para yung condition nila nandyan. And we see it. We see it in how they're playing.
Hello. Such a smart cut shot by Noval. Abigail has now contributed 9 to the cause of Comelec.
She struggled at the start of the second set, but finally found ways to score again.
But ito sabi
Padulid,
Ito, solid hit ito Hindi na alahoy ito. Sakul to. She had 2 shots that were really missed hits if you think about it. And there she is now in the service area.
Misread by the receivers.
It's so easy to say put your leg across the sideline.
Pero tinan mo naman yung serve na yun talaga. Sideline talaga.
Down the line talaga Tusok Nice snap by Sarmiento. Yandraulin, it does not cross.
Some challenges here para sa opensa ng Comelec. Parang mas marami tayong error na nakikita, no, at the start of this set.
And they lost a substantial 6-point lead in the meantime. Nagkauntugan ng ulo. Jet.
Naalog ng konti.
Sabi ni Let, naman eh. In the meantime, Rasos comes in for malapit. Alam mo, challenge din sa coaches ito play all, di ba? Sa regular tournament, sa UAAP, sa NC, sa PBA, hindi naman kailangan play all. So this is a challenge. In the meantime, to the back row we go. Sarmiento steady. Didn't start. Oh, that's on target.
Right now, it's again bumabalik ulit sa hanapin na lang natin kung saan walang depensa. Hindi malakas. Talagang intentionally doon lang niya gustong dalhin.
Ito, one of the regulars of the AFP, Marifosque. Dati hirap na hirap ako sa pangalan niya. Ngayon, master ko na yan. Yung Marifosque. Staff Sergeant Rhea Marifosque.
What a serve!
That's on the floor. And Talib, look at this.
9 points for Nuval. Oh, 10 actually. 10 already after that ace.
Yeah. Cargado. Oh, runner on target. Alam mo, pag malaking tao, biglang magra-runner, tapos hindi ka ready, nako, parang storm na dumarating, oh. Bang!
Oh, nagulat ang depensa.
Oo.
Dito pala.
Joy Bettino.
Good first ball.
Oh, did they get the corner? They got it.
Alam mo, pag maganda lang talaga yung passing, no? First ball, bumabagal eh. Nawawala yung pagmamadali, no? On the side of Comelec. They're able to deliver better attacks.
De Los Santos is brought back to the bench. Sabas is once more on the floor. Comelec hanging on to a slim 1-point lead. First set going the way of the AFP, 29-27.
Oh, that error though ties it to the AFP.
Lagay ko, itong trend nitong dalawang to.
Oo nga.
Mapapalaban tayo rito. In the meantime, we have the return of Wendy Talib. Marifosque serve in play. Good slide by Bettino. Missed it. She went under the ball.
Yeah, not in the best position.
Usually you want the ball in front of you. You don't want to be under the ball because you'll be very late. Comelec is back in front. We have Tan, one of the regulars of the Comelec. She has a good steady pair of receiving hands. This is Shaila Tan. Marifosque sets up Talib. It's on the ground and Comelec unable to lift it. Tied at 15. Here's Mabayad. Yumang spinning around. Blocked. And it's in clear territory. Nobody there.
Things are getting very predictable. Alam na rin no, kung saan dadalhin. Madulid knows first priority would be Sabas.
Yeah. Kaya barkado na no? Bantayado na Here comes Mabayad. It looks short. Bit of a miss hit. Middle. Sabas nails it inside.
Oh, she let it pass dun sa space in between the two blockers.
Manlapit will return and she'll pull out number 15 and it's Rasos. It's okay sa volleyball, you know, the referee will remind the coaches kung ilang sub ka pa pwede. I think the max is 8 or 6.
I think 6.
6.
Oo. And dito rin, no, pag nalilito ka dun sa rotation, pwede ka magtanong kaysa mag-wrong server or wrong rotation kayo.
Disgrasya. Net touch yata. Yes, net touch. Olores will return. Alam mo yung sa BNL, sa Japanese team ko madalas makita sa men's, they will ask eh. Kasi ang gulo-gulo ng sistema nila.
Ikot ng ikot, ang daming switching.
They ask eh.
But you can. I mean, no, you can definitely. Pag pupunta ka service line, you can check with the officials.
Wala pa naman bayad ang tanong.
Oo. Pag may bayad doon, mag-isip na tayo. Pero ngayon, libre naman siya. For as long as yung window ng pagtatanong mo din, hindi ka nagde-delay ng game.
Pero ito kwento, nakakita ko sa Batangas. Pagligo sa kanan, tanong, 5 piso.
Baka maraming nagtatanong doon ng isip niya, this is a good money-making.
Sawan-sawa na yung barangay. Dami nagtatanong. Going to one of the beaches, I remember that. In the meantime, Sarmiento playing a good rounded game here. After a slow start, Manlapit with a good catch. Ayaw mong sayangin yun pag ganun na effort ng kakampi mo. Hello, I'm on the floor twice. No ball. Oh! Chyla kept it in play. The shot. Here comes the AFP going to work. Down the middle we go!
Oh. Pero ito yung mga maganda, no? Kaya na-excite din yung mga nanonood. Kasi lahat joining the action.
Oo. Kasi ang volleyball, di ba? 3 passes lang on each side. Each one has to be perfect. So, thrilled yung tao. At saka marunong na manood ang kaya natin. Sa dami ng liga natin, ano?
Year-round eh.
Oo.
May napapanood.
Tapos, this coming Wednesday, umpisa na yata ang UAAP. Pinintis.
Too long.
Dito. Ito ang difference. Yung poise ng AFP. Time out. Tiningin ng comment.
Saan tayo? Dalawa lang! Ready kayo? Hindi pwedeng ganun tayo umaatake pero yung kalaban ang pumupuntos. Atake nga tayo, dapat sila didepensa lang, ha? Sige, side out nyo. Receive isang Pia, pasa lang tayo maganda, ha? Paltukin mo lang ng mabilis. Paltukin mo lang ng mabilis.
Wala na tayong timeout, ha? Kailangan madahabol natin. Go!
Alam mo, hindi masama yung laro ng Comelec. Nauunahan lang pagka dikita nyo yung score. Iniiwanan sila eh.
Oo, at saka itong AFP, nakikita natin may pattern din eh, no? Talagang humahanap ng opportunity. Yung bawi nila, kumbaga mabilis. Mabilis silang magbawi, mabilis ang turnaround.
And they know who to go to get those bawi points. Okay, nawala. Nobal, good decision. No spiking opportunity. Yes, double contact.
Sabi ng ating huli ka, not gonna... Natatawa rin siya. Sabi niya, nako, nahuli.
Alam mo, binibiro ko itong mga referee. Alam mo, 80% sa inyo setter dati. Kaya ang sungit nyo pagka double contact.
Mataas yung standards.
Mataas. But the new ball kasi, since may 25 years na yung ball na yan, yung multicolored ball, introduced in the Olympics in 2000. The spin is actually more obvious.
Yes.
Pagka nakita mong double contact eh.
May makikita mo yung ikot.
The old white ball, nakakalusot ka pa.
Sabihin ko sana, nako, baka hindi na maalala ng new generation yung white ball.
Saka yung rubber nun, masakit yun, aray. Samantalan, quite a player, ha? She has 1,000,000 points, 11 actually. Tan is now replaced by Nokon. Look at the AFP, now in the lead by 1. Mukhang sagad na sa substitution ng Comelec.
Our second referee saying, no, naka-anim na kayo.
That's it, pansit.
That's it.
Kota na kayo. Olores. Ay, madulid.
Nakahiga ng konti, no? Sa likod yung bola.
And look at this. Back to 20 all. That sails in neatly. Tinaas ni Noval. Good cross score. That finds the mark. And a 1-point lead by the Comelec. Can they hang on? Ito yung sinasabi ni Ann Capit. Oh, right in front.
Just needed one more step.
Nokon sabi niya, wow, I'm right in front of this. Tama ka. Kung minsan nakakainis yan, di ba? Bakit ang layo ko?
Sa harap mo na eh, no? Direksyon mo, pero kinulang lang.
Ang layo ko. That one step is so large in volleyball. Yumang with a punch. Talib.
Ooh, that's tough.
That hits the antenna.
That was tough.
22-21 ang ating score.
Dikitan pa rin ang...
Order na kayo ng merienda.
Oo. Mukhang ganito yung ano nila eh.
Masa pa kayo ng 3 sets. Pero sabi na AFP, usap muna tayo.
Kailan pumalo ka, pag may santo ka. Pasa tayo, sino sa likod? May, pagka nung chance mo ng bola, dati ko na kumukuha, o kaya libero. Ha? Basa tayo. Let's go.
Ito na, nagbibiroan na yung usual biroan, 3 sets ba o 5 sets. Sabi ko, umasa pa kayo. Kumakagat sumisipa itong Comelec. Ayan na. Nako, if you're the Comelec, you don't wanna waste this, ha?
But alam mo, ito yung sinasabi nga natin kanina. Una, wag sana masyadong dikit na dikit dahil mahirapan sila. But this set just proving to us na kaya nilang lamangan.
Yes, that's a good point.
Ngayon, ang challenge nila yung panapos. They need to be able to end this. I didn't say anything about the serve, so I must say hindi ko na jinx, but...
to say something, they had 2 set points in the first set, could not seal the deal.
Sinadya ko talaga di magsabihin yung serve eh, pero ganun pa rin.
Inantay mo, no? Binitin mo konti. Ganun talaga, may sabi ni Hendraude, ako nang bahala dyan, mabayad. Dumps it over. Cut shot. Plantino. Olores. Cantado. And mabayad. Homer. Just zeroing in. Tied at 23.
Dito, kailangan natin makita yung puso ng Comelec because AFP will fight for it no matter what.
They know how to handle these situations.
And these pressure moments call for really clear and good communication, no? Dahil hindi pwedeng mag-agawan din ng bola.
Really have to call it, that hasn't changed the game. In the game through the years. Gendrali. Mabayad. Nokon manlapit. Pantino says gotcha. Mabayad. Noval. Gendrali. Yes! It's gonna take a while here.
Wow! Both sets Gusto talaga ng extension.
Ayaw nila. Gusto opening day. Gusto nila ma-maximize exposure nila. 24 all.
Those who are here with us and those who are watching, getting such a good treat this Sunday afternoon.
Let Mabayad becoming a vital cog in this second team of the second set. Deceptive kasi si Let. Kala mo, napaka-lampa, hindi gagalaw. Then she springs into action and burns you. Yumang. Sabas. That's a check ball. Tabla sa 25. Yung mga may planong puntahan ng ibang bagay, mamaya na kayo magplano, ha? Matagal pa to. Sabas. Gendrauli determined. Mabayad punches it over. Gendrauli gets to it. Yumang, clean set. Cut shot by Sabas. Return to sender. Sarmiento kneeling down. It's no! Problematic at the net. Malakas yung pasa ni Sarmiento kay Yumang eh. Yan o. Sent it close to the net eh.
Mahirap.
Alam mo, ang role ng libero at ng back row, iaabot mo yan sa setter eh. Pinalalam. There was the player.
Slow it down. Slow it down.
Remember that player from Adamson, si Pantino ba yun? Pangalan niya? But inaabot niya yun.
Leslie Angata.
Leslie Angata. Yo! That was quite a team, ha? Sila nila Janet Serafica nun.
That team, of course, known for ano yan eh. Ang Adamson kasi talagang known for defense. Known for reception, oo.
As the players today, same pa rin yung culture. Ang hirap kalaban pa rin daw ng Adamson.
At saka yung Sigata, yan yung isipin mo, naglalakad lang ba to? Pero magugulat ka nandun na siya. Tapos relax na relax.
Yung hindi ba, yung ibang libero, maximum effort, lumilipad siya. Boys.
Oo.
1 point lead by the AFP. Set point again. Hake will serve for the set for a 2-0 lead.
Ooh! Such a bad time for that service error. Could have sealed the deal already in set number 2.
First set went 29-27. Parang ito ang trend ngayon. Long.
Gigil na.
Walang pitik, ano?
Minsan kasi pag nakikita mo ang taas ng bola, tapos you leap high, yung body mo siguro parang tells you, and your brain tells you, lakasan mo. Sarap pang gigilan eh.
Then you pay for it because you overhit it. Hello. And by the same count, the AFP takes the second set at 29-27. They just know how to win in these sets.
And that yung sinasabi natin, kapit. It's a team that has played together for a while now. So, amoy na nila ang isa't isa at alam nila kung anong kanilang gagawin in pressure-packed moments.
Well said, Anne, and we will have the third set in just a short while. Set and the AFP just knowing how to solve the problems at the end.
Yeah, main difference kasi ang Comelec, if I recall, 17 points in ata ang kanilang naipunto sa attack in set number 1. Lady Gunners, itong AFP, nag-improve, no? In set number 2, scored more attacks this time around. Medyo nabawasan ng kanilang blocking. But for both teams, I think yung pag-challenge sa receivers were there. Both teams scored 2 service aces. Ang galing nung pag-replicate eh. Pati opponent errors, 8 pa rin. Parang sabi nila, okay, gawin natin copy-paste. Nagbago lang ng konti yung ibang line sa atake tsaka sa blocking.
Gumawa ng isang Excel spread.
Oo eh.
Pare-pareho na lang yung numero, madaling adin. So, if you are the Comelec, what do you have to change? They've done everything, you know? What do they have to add now? Is it offense? Is it defense?
You know, I think it's on both fronts because alam nila na itong AFP is a strong attacking team. They're relentless in terms of like returning the ball. So floor defense, hindi pwedeng mawala yan. But I think one of the challenges na nakita natin in the previous set, medyo nahirapan din si Yumang eh. Kasi kahit nare-receive nila yung bola, maraming dumidikit sa net. And you know, that is that's difficult, no? If you're a setter, you need your receivers to feed the ball to you.
In the meantime, ito ang story ng game ito. The Comelec always drawing the early blood. They are doing a good job of leading early, but when it comes to winning time, winning the set, that's where they've had problems. Yumang serve, De Gia, Olores, Yonko. Somebody sliding in nicely. That's Sarmiento. Oh, kept in play by Bettino. Rear end. Look at that back pedal by Patino.
Sort of like a celebration for that point.
Oh, alam sinabi si Michael Jackson sa moonwalk niya. And look at this. We're tied quickly in the third. Ang lalim na kuha na yun ni Sabas. Set-up job. Pinaas. May net touch, ha?
Yeah, it was Yonko touching the tape of the net. No resistance dun sa tawag.
Yeah, I guess so. AFP down currently. 2 serving against 1. Gendrales serving for the suffragettes of the Comelec. Good shot kept in play. Yumang reverses. Gendrales says, I got it. Elevated. Hit. Not cleanly. Sarmiento makes it a set for Gendrale. De Gia. Yonko is denied entry.
That went straight to the net para kay Yonko.
Na-distract din siya ng blocker eh.
Oo. But she had a very good start nung set number 1. Medyo malamig siguro, no? Kasi napahinga in set number 2. Needs to warm up a bit more.
Yonko had a total of 14. In the meantime, Yumang. Good set. Oh, De Gia. Good catch. Paron. Good floor defense by the Lady Gunner. Yumang. They have to heave it over for a 3-ball. Pantino, Olores, Yonko Yager. Sabas. Cut shot. Pantino with a shoulder shrug. Yumang, this is the 3rd longest rally. Olores with one hand and it dies in the water. Score stands at 4 against 1. Gendrale all set to serve.
Oh, that one. Really going out.
Danica wants to hide in her uniform.
But we saw yung kanyang follow through ng kamay talagang papunta dun sa side na yun.
Sumayaw yung kurba ng bola. No? In the meantime, picked up downstairs by Sarmiento. It flies over the net. Pantino is there. Yonko stabs it. Here's Yumang spinning around. Here's a big shot. Yes! Sabas! First day of the 3rd season of the UNTV Volleyball League. 2-set to love lead by the AFP. Pantino. Cut shot. Kept in play. Yumang puts two hands on it. Sabas. Olores campers. And it's out of reach. Served by the AFP, May Dr. Baron. Here's Lavado on the floor for the first time. Yonko sends it airborne. Yumang. Santos clear as day.
De Los Santos saw limited minutes earlier. Struggled a bit, but a good start here in set number 3.
Six to 3. Count. Third set. Lavado. Yonko. Manlapit. 3 balls, De Los Santos. Here's Olores. Down the middle. Clean hit. Pantino.
That's gonna be tough, ano? Pag nagbalik ka ng free ball dito sa AFP.
Pantino with 8 markers across her name. Yumang. De Los Santos denied Yumang with one hand, but they can't keep it in play. AFP will serve down by 1. Lavado will be doing honors. Wylin, Wylin's serve is into the net. 3-point for the Comelec. 7-5 here in the third. This is Lopez. First time to be on the floor. Joanna Lopez. Off the blockers but kept in play. They have to push it over.
Alanganin.
And Danica, I think, was thinking, subukan ko kaya. Pero alanganin yan.
Alanganin. But right now, they're still with a 1-point lead. Pero this is, pinag-usapan natin to kanina, no? Yan ang mahirap na i-let go. They have to try, at least here in the third set, to be able to maintain this lead hanggang sa dulo.
Yeah. Lopez thanking her lucky stars that went through. We have Ira for a report. Go ahead, please.
Facing the AFP on opening day is such a great way for Comelec to show their stronger lineup this season. Playing their second year here in the UVL, they already know how to prepare better this time around. Last season, nakapasok sila sa semi-finals, so the team captain Jane Yumang was very vocal in saying this year gusto naman daw nilang makatapak sa finals. So while Judith Abel is continuing her professional career, she is present here in the venue. By the way, nagpa-try out itong Comelec at doon nila na-acquire yung import nila na si Javen Sabas, who used to play for Team Senate last season. So even though they have to learn how to close out their sets better, the confidence is there for this finals aspiring team. Balik sa inyo.
Yep, if you've made it to the semis, Ira, you want to go one place. That's to vie for a championship. In the meantime, 2-point lead by Comelec here in the third. Runner tapped nicely. Manlapit is there to keep it in play. Olores and Yonko conniving.
Medyo nasa ilalim nga si Yonko nun, but it was a good look at this. Kahit under, she had to do a vertical jump.
Tutuwa ako kay Olores pag pumipreno. Pag nagsiset,
biglang. Parang may beat yung yapak. Oh, what a sharp one.
Yes. In the meantime, Baron, no, it's actually Pantino who got to it. Yumang, Gendrauli, Joy Bettino is there. Talib, long high shot. Yumang. Oh, look at this. Baron keeping it in play.
Oh, sumobra.
Yeah.
Alam mo, tama naman. Na ibabalik mo talaga doon sa kabila. Doon walang tao. Papunta sila dito sa kaliwa eh.
Makes sense, ano, ha?
But it's too strong.
Tabla po sa 9. First 2 sets going the way of the AFP by the closest of margins. Both sets at 29-27. Gendrauli. Danik. No, that's Manlapit firing away. Baron. Yumang. Danica. Boy, this is like a ping pong match. It's going back and forth so quickly. Lakas. Pero Lopez. Ay!
Oh! What a wasteful error there. Sayang, ano? Yung usap lang talaga.
Tumaan sa harap niya kasi si Gendrauli.
Minsan nagkakalituhan din. But,
di ba, in the cardinal rule, yung second ball tosser, third ball setter. Kung minsan, nabablanko ka, nakakalimutan. Unintentionally sometimes. Manlapit. Back to her. Namamanage nung back row yung mga shots ni Gendrauli. Martinez Puto. Oh, Yumang shot. We're still in play. This could be the 4th longest rally. Pantino shot. Yumang. Oh! Huwag ka nang babalik!
You see them already catching their breath at this point.
Hake is gonna come in. Pulls out Baron. Oo nga, hingal. I'll say it, hingal kabayo na talaga yung ginagawa ng ating players. Mahaba rallies eh. Hello. Cargado Sarado.
Narinig mo yung sigaw eh, no? Pagka-set, iya!
Lakas pa rin papalo ni Yonko.
Oo. Ganda nga yung condition. No? We've seen her, of course, no, in previous seasons kung saan galing siyang training. And doon mararamdaman mo yung yung pagod talaga siya. No? Pagod yung katabat. You know, today seems to be a good start, no, for her this season.
Volleyball training, hindi military training. Hake ends up short. And we're still tied at 11. I remember, I may be wrong, but alam ko si Yonko, either Benilde yan or I will check later. I remember covering her sa dati nating liga, sa Shakey's
Or Lasal Dasma.
Or Lasal Dasma, but that might be even more correct. That was a strong team also. Huh? In the meantime, Sharp, the Talib is there. Hello. Diretso. Pantino says, kayang-kaya. Hello. Mag-swimming kayo dyan. Ito na naman po ang AFP. When they get to the middle of the set, and they seem to get their momentum. Yung first part of the set, yung first 10 points, hindi sila umiinit eh. Yung second 10, Yumang. Lopez with a good shot, but it's handled well. Hake, Manlapit, Gendrauli, Talib, Hake. Oh, 2 miscues at the net, huh?
I was able to check already, so confirmed it is Lasal Dasmariñas.
Okay.
And she played beach volleyball also.
Yeah, sabi ko na nga. Basta, I was right. It is going to be green, di ba?
Yes. Ayun na siya.
Because I remember Dasma and Benilde was playing in the old Shakey's B League.
Yes. What a good serve.
Okay, look at that.
Sabi niya, buti na, nasa bunutan tuloy. Sabi niya, ano ba kayo, pinapahirapan niyo na ako, sinabunutan niyo pa ako.
Napapagod na ako sa inyo, ha? Tapos ito.
Dikit na dikit.
Ulog ko nga, tapos sasabunutan sa kabila. Ito. Oh!
Of course, guys, Ito mga magte-teammates na to, hindi naman talaga sila nagsasakit. Ganyan sila maglambingan. Oo.
Uy. Medyo pagod si Hake.
Oo, second service error for today.
And the captain has been missing on her spikes. Teguia darts back in. In the meantime, it's a 13-all third. Sabas has played well here. Difficult catch. Good set. Umiispin yung set. Yumang lifts it high. Sabas. Teguia, bundle of energy.
Oh.
Bettino miss-hit badly.
Well, yung ball kasi was set at the attack line. Had to adjust.
Score! 14-13. Lamang ang Comelec ng isa. Yonko. Cut shot. Nagkagulo. Ayan, tabla ulit tayo.
Minsan yun yung kailangan mong gawin. Sometimes so tempting to hit the ball hard. Pero minsan kailangan mo lang guluhin yung depensa sa kabila.
Yeah, magkagulo kayo dyan. Tabla po sa 14. Blocked. Kept in play by Lopez. Sabas. Pantino. Did she get it? It's out. Check ball.
But our blocker saying no check on that one.
Wala po tayong challenge system dito.
But our official, of course, has a very good view right there at the top.
Ako tingin ko doon sa taas, iba ang perspective. Pag nandun ka sa perch.
And kitang-kita mo yung net, ibabaw ng net eh.
Hello, Bettino, all dressed up, nowhere to go. We're tired than you. Here we go again. The issue is copy. Really. Reyes comes back in for the libero. Giancarlo will come in for Reyes. They need all their aces here right now. Joanna Lopez all set to serve. She's played quite a spell here. This serve is out. Hit it badly, actually. 16-15 is the count. Pagka dumating yung push comes to shove, dito nahihirapan yung Comelec eh. De Los Santos, ito, problemado. Muntik makakuha ang punto doon. And that's out.
Sayang.
We're tied at 16. Third set, moving along slowly here as both teams trying to be cautious. AFP, they're set away, a few points away from icing this, and look at this, it's in the net. De Los Santos has had their service problems here today. That's her second service mistake. Bettino serving. In the third set, the AFP actually has more errors than the Comelec, 11-6. Here's Yumang. Jane's service in play. Yonko. Lopez. Straight and true to the hands of Teguia. Pantino. Blocked. Elevated. Transmitted. Recovered. Fired upon and still in play. Yumang. Hindi makita ng angulo si Giancarlo. Another long rally. Hingal na naman mga player natin. Manlapit.
Pahabaan ulit.
Okay. Oh! She's just played well. She's just played well.
But, you know, again, nasa third set pa lang tayo, but hindi napapansin natin yung pagod din talaga. It's because the returns, yung mga rally, ang haba. And every time humahabol sila, nakakapagod yun.
Totoo yan naman. Kasi when the rally is going on, hindi ka humihingan yan eh. Yumang. Bettino. Giancarlo says no. Better set! And conversion.
Sabas was right there. And had a good eye on that open area down the line.
Good decision by Jandrali to make it a set. She could actually have taken a shot at it, but sabi niya, in a better position si Sabas. This serve. Oh! Mishandled. And the Comelec now in the lead. Timeout by the Lady Gunner.
Pero ikaw, diba? Dani ka, setter, tama ba? Setter likod ka. Sa'yo dadalhin yan, mag-ready ka. Kasi, front si Yongko, sa'yo dadalhin yan, mag-ready ka.
Kung maganda defense natin, dapat ma-convert natin na gas fighter natin. Ha? Hindi na tayo pwede magkamali. Nasa crucial na tayo. Nasa crucial.
Ang haba ng prosesyon, ano ha? 19-18, eto na. Ito, makikita pa uli ito. Twice nung mga kalaban mo. Double round robin tayo. Just 8 teams this time around. No groupings. Yumang. That's one more. No whistle, we play on. Dito tayo. Dito tayo. Kay Yumang tayo. Kay Yongko tayo. What a game by Yongko. A total of 19 and 20 points is in sight actually.
And you know, got a note na she sat out pa the second set.
Oh. Now that you mention it. Look at this. Pantino, iba rin ang swag, no? Iba rin ang believe niya sa laro niya. Giving her confidence, and here comes the Comelec with a timeout.
Mag-usap na kayo, open ang paluin mo. Ma'am, atrasan mo na ng konti. Bigyan mo siya ng daan para makapalo siya ng open.
Hey, andito naman tayo endgame. Dito tayo bumibigay, ha? Depensa tayo, iwasan natin mag-error. Maka-atake tayo, maka-receive tayo. First ball muna tayo, ha? Go, 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 go.
Pagpalo ni Jay, pen coverage ka.
Yes!
Matawin mo.
Approaching its second hour actually. Mahaba rallies eh. Kept in play. 1 point lead by the AFP. Not safe. Pantino. Yumang. Playable, but it won't cross. And the AFP has a 2-point lead here in the third.
This is where we will see kung yung end game, ano. I think we mentioned that in the first 2 sets for Comelec. So they need to be able to hang on dito sa parte na ito.
And Sabas is trying to initiate that. They cut down the lead to 1.
Sabas, 21 points in this match. Has committed 7 errors. Marami rin kasi siyang attempts, ano. But
in the meantime, Noval is back in for De Los Santos. Manlapit will be serving for the Comelec. Good set. Noval says, let's keep it in play. Close to the net we go. One hand, pick up by Olores. Bigia gets it to go over. Cut shot. Hake kneels down for it. Pantino, we're still in play. Yongko. Pantino.
oh, great pickup.
Yep. And the 5th longest rally in progress. Oh! Talib says, I've had enough.
That was a nice Cross-court shot. Look at the cut.
Sa pagitan ng dalawa no? Parang sabi ni Talib, sabi sa inyo, bigay nyo sa akin
Naghihintay ako dito
Oo, kanina pa 22-20. Yumang. Noval. Olores. Pantino. Sarado ang pinto.
Oh, Noval. 2 block points now for this match.
I like your point about Noval earlier. Not the tallest player on the floor. Just great timing for those blocks. Eto si Sabas. Yow. Oh boy, this is their problem area. That's 9 service errors. Timeout by the Comelec. Set.
Wala na ulit timeout. Last 2 sila, last 4 tayo. So kailangan maunahan natin yan. 2-1, ha? Kaya natin yan. Simulan natin sa receive, depensa. Block tayo, atake tayo, ha? Simple lang naman ang gagawin natin, Angat mo lang, taas mo lang. Sinong harap? Abi, paluin mo lang. Kung kaya mo i-down mo. Ha? Andun yung libero tsaka import sa cross, ha? Go, go, go! Kaya natin yan. Tara, tara, tara. Go, 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 go.
AFP, are they 2 points away from, well, messed that up. What did we
Oh.
Every time
no?
you want to say that line, they mess it up. I think what should happen is you wait for the error to happen and then ganun dapat siguro. Naku. Hello, Olores with one hand.
Oy. 2 people going for it, pero lumusot.
Ang simple lang doon, natakot tamaan yung isa. That happens di ba? Ito, tingnan nyo
Mataas yung bola If you look at the ball, mataas. But the right person to get it is actually Yari Yonko. Kasi siya yung nakaharap
correct. Pantino, may lakad dito, nagmamadali. Talib. That's close to the... Oh! This!
Betinho, right thing in mind. Babalik natin, wag naman yung madali. Balik natin, pahirapan natin ng konti. But that was a risky one, dahil tumatakbo siya but she aimed for that corner.
Match point na. Match point na.
Favor of the Armed Forces of the Philippines.
Serve right there. We'll see if Comelec can still extend this set the same way they did.
And we are done. We are done. Boy, medyo hirap ang AFP but they just knew how to win.
Definitely the experience has shown in their first match here this season. But for Comelec, alam mo, they may have lost this match. Pero tama ka, hindi naging madali for AFP. It was also a very good start for them.
Meron mga things to work on ang AFP sa laro nila.
Which is good that it surfaced as early as now because those are things that they can work on. Double round robin ang ating preliminaries.
Sinong best player natin, Ann?
Ito, paulit-ulit nating pinag-uusapan. Ano? One of the top scorers here for AFP. Scoring 20 points in this match. We have Yari Yonko leading the squad.
Yes, and she is with our Ira Pablo.
The defending champions takes game 1 of our opening doubleheader. Congratulations to the AFP Lady Gunner for getting this one. At kasama ko na ngayon ang ating best player of the game. Walang iba kung hindi si Iya Yonko. Naglolokohan lang tayo kanina. She was interviewing me. Sabi niya sa akin, ano yung nilulook forward mo ngayong araw? Sabi ko, i-interviewin kita as best player of the game. Tama? Oo. Anong masasabi mo sa nilaro mo ngayong araw at syempre sa pinakita ng AFP?
Syempre, una, teamwork pa din naman yung ginawa namin kasi hindi naman ako makakascore kung hindi naman maganda yung mga receives tsaka yung set din ng setter namin. Yun na.
Eto, matanong kita. Natapos na yung training mo, military training mo. Ano yung mga skills na natutunan mo that makes you a better and stronger volleyball player?
Syempre, yung in-schooling ko kasi junior NCO. So, nagli-lead din ako sa kanila inside the court kahit may captain ball. Ayun, ginagabayan ko lang kung saan defense pattern nila. Yun po.
Okay, batiin mo na si Forrest at si Gaia at mga gusto mo pang batiin at pasalamatan.
Syempre, unang-una po, binabati po namin si SAF, General Browner, sir, si J1 po, M. General Dancer, J10, M. Gen Coronel, General Musni, Colonel Parsha, Colonel Ginulbay, sa aming CG, General Cordura, sir, to of your family. Sa family ko po, Kimson family, Yonko family, West pa daw po. Sa asawa ko po kay Jonas, kay Forrest and Gaia, at Tita Arlene, sa mom and dad ko, kay Baby Ice, sa mga kapatid ko, Yona and Yumi, Kuya Ian. Mami, Daddy, Nanay, hello. Ayan, asawa nila, family po. Happy birthday po sa brother ni Ma'am Hake. Pantino family po, Balmaceda, Legazpi, Cases. Philippine Air Force Volleyball Team po. Ma'am, si Belia, hello. Ayun po.
Alright, maraming salamat. And congratulations ulit sa inyo. Ito yung na-miss ko sa UVLA, yung madaming babatiin. Alright, back to you guys.
Matagal ko na sinasabi sa iyo, Direk, pagkadating sa partner, meron ka bang gustong batiin? Roll! Diba? Ganun na lang para makita. Okay, we'd like to thank Ann Remulla Canda for joining us in the first game. Napalabang ka, Ann, ng mahaba ang, kahit hindi 5 sets, maganda na ang first game natin na 3-setter.
Oo, ito yung exciting, di ba? Always something to look forward to. Magandang paumpisa sa ating Season 3.
Okay, thanks, Ann, and we'll have Ira, and later on, Ate Ivy will be joining us here. PNP against BFP will be the next game, and this is going to be thrilling because these are two semi-finalists that will battle. Don't go too far away. The UNTV Volleyball League begins today.